Ankita Das, can you talk about it? What did we discuss in our last class?
Sir,
Past
yes.
simple definition and rules about one's past simple.
Hmm. Okay.
Sir, we had discussed about verbs where we use D, ED, and IED, etc.
Hmm. Mm-hmm. That also we discussed, right? I
Good
started with
evening,
this.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, please go on.
Sir, we had talked about how it would be helpful in writing answers for
Obviously.
political science and history. And
Hmm.
other than that, regular and irregular verbs and a list of verbs we had discussed. That's it.
Yes. Okay. Let me just tell you one or two sentences to of remind you of the use that past simple has. You need to be very good at past simple because past simple is the structure that we use to talk about our past experience. It may be oral or written, right? Like when you talk about what you did in last summer, suppose your parents ask you how the class was or how the day was, something like that. To talk for our day-to-day communication, it's most frequently used structure. Talking about competitions and all, like competitive exam, whatever long question you would write in general studies, political science, history, you have to use past simple structure very effectively. Okay, and that is how we had started discussing past simple. I started with a story, and after that I asked some of you to tell stories, and then we saw how in some point of time we make some mistakes using this structure, and after that we discussed this structure, and we have come to the usage, right? Usage means what are the places we use past simple, actually. That one we have come to, right? So this one, just look at the screen for some time. Yeah, these are the usage to express action that happened before now, means completed action. Okay, to tell a story, to narrate something. Okay, then hypothetical conditional sentence and reported speech. Let's look at the examples of all these things. Unless we look at examples, there may be some confusion in examples. To express action that has happened before now means to talk about completed action. I ate a sandwich today. Okay, completed action, just you are saying, right? Then narratives. When you narrate something, when you tell a story, I was at uncle's place last summer, I met a girl there, things like that. And there was a king, the king had two children, both of them were useless. When you tell stories like this, right? Then hypothetical conditional sentence. If I were God, I would eliminate this coronavirus. Okay. Hypothetical means fancy sentences, fancy imaginations, those are not really possible. To talk about this, we use this, like if I were God. This is past simple structure. This one is different. In reported speech, he asked me to meet him. The red part, he asked me. That is past simple. These are the structural use of past simple. Okay, and these things are very frequently used when you write competitive answers and all. So you need to really know it very well, guys. Okay, can I expect some sentences from you? Some affirmative sentence. Anybody in past simple structure? Quickly. Anybody?
Sir, I studied polity yesterday.
I studied polity yesterday. Good sentence. Like that. Some other sentences, please, very quickly. Yes.
I watched
She always
Aspirant.
invited me to the dinner.
I watched.
I watched Aspirant web series last week.
Did you really do that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are preparing for OCS, huh, Amit? Okay. Do you get time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway. Bhajwan, you were trying to say something?
Sir, Mohan always carried a bag.
Mohan always?
Carried a bag.
Mohan always carried a bag. You're talking about past habit of somebody, right? Mohan always carried a bag. Now he doesn't do that.
No.
In that case, it's okay. It's talking about somebody maybe who is not existing now, or talking about some action that is not done now. Then you can do that.
Action,
Mohan
which is not
always carried a bag.
currently.
Past habit. Okay, right?
I met her yesterday at
Any-
hostel.
It's a past habitual action.
I met her yesterday. Okay.
I wrote an essay about Indian Constitution today.
Okay, good. I wrote an essay. Nice. Did you really do that,
Yes.
Mita?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Uh-huh. Okay, then any other thing? Any other?
Sir, actually,
Deep-
someone has
I
told
received
that
a letter.
Mohan always.
Wait. Bhajman, yes. Deepak, please go on.
Sir, actually, someone has just told that Mohan always carried a bag. Sir, actually, always is used in case of simple present. And
That's why
present
we
habit.
said we are referring to past time. That's why I asked a cross question to him. You are talking about past habit. माने एटा कहू ना आमे से सबुबले क्लास को लेट आसुथिला तापरे गोटे हेडमास्टर आसिले ताकू माने सीधा कर देले वर्तमान ठीक अछि मतलब कहू के नहीं
Sir,
Sir,
simple
actually-
past tense is used to
Sir,
express
actually, in
past
this
habitual
case-
action.
तो एठी दुईटा स्ट्रक्चर संभव ओके दुईटा स्ट्रक्चर संभव मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट स्ट्रक्चर होची ही यूज्ड टू कम लेट टू द क्लास
Yes, sir.
ऑलवेज
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
actually,
Kintu-
Mohan used to carry a bag.
किंतु he came late to the class always जदि past habit को एमते कहू जे किछि प्रॉब्लम नाही किंतु मु कहू छी मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट स्ट्रक्चर होची एटा यूज्ड टू ओके पास्ट हैबिट विषय
Sir, simple past tense also used in to express past habitual action also.
हाँ मु मना कली कोठी किंतु मोस्ट एप्रोप्रिएट बोली कहली ना
Okay.
Sir, I used to play cricket during my high school days.
I used to play cricket during my high school days. हाँ past perfect talking about past habit okay
I went to
that
market.
we will not go to that
In
we
my
will stick
school
to
days,
yes
sir, in my school days, I was a very good student in English and math.
in my school days I was a very good student very good I was very good at math and English I was very good at math and English good
Yes, sir.
good then right then let's yes Magan Lal please
I went to market yesterday to buy medicine.
I was
And I went to market yesterday to buy medicine and vegetables.
I went to market yesterday to buy medicine. Okay.
Sir, I
Okay, so we got some examples of this affirmative. No, affirmative negative sentences are also affirmative, but yes, now let's go for some negative sentences specifically.
I did not want to buy something in the market.
I did not.
I did not want to buy something in the market.
I did not went କହୁଛ କି? I did not go.
Went. I did not want to buy something in the market.
Oh, I did not want to buy something in the market. Okay. Oh, okay. I प्रथमे सुनली I did not went कहि देलो कि बोली. I did not want कहुछ तो ठीक अछि. Okay. Then any other sentence please? Somebody quickly. Negative
did-
sentences.
I did not go to
I
library
did not
in my
enjoy
college days.
horror movies.
I did not watch any horror movie. Okay. I did not watch any horror movie. Okay. Rajshri tells me now that my voice is not audible. What about all of you?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not audible.
No, sir, it's okay. It's clearly okay. I
Audible,
think
sir.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
she has some problem from her side.
Maybe Rajshri has some problem. Yes. If anybody is friend to Rajshri, please give her a message to sign out and log in again. That will be fine, I think. I don't go office today. No, Narayan, no, seta I don't go office today. Bhul sentence he gala. I didn't go to office today. Narayan, suni parucha to?
So don't is present.
Don't is present, right? And
Sir, I did not used to come to class late.
I नहीं did not used to कहीं की कोई हो. I did not used to कहर कौन दरकार. I never used to कहले है वो. I never used to. I am not used to. I am नहीं एटा गुटे completely different है गला. I am not used to माने इठी used to गुटे habit को देखो चे past tense देखो नहीं. While discussing past perfect, we will discuss that. I am used to I used to ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ difference ସେଟା ଆମେ discuss କରିବା. I am used to smoking. Suppose I say I am used to smoking ମାନେ କ'ଣ ମାନେ ତାର meaning କ'ଣ? I am used to smoking.
माने एबे भी से स्मोकिंग जारी रख
माने मोर स्मोकिंग रो अभ्यास अछि. मोर स्मोकिंग रो अभ्यास अछि. Used to माने अभ्यास हला. Used to माने खाली अभ्यास. एठी I am used to जदी कहबो हला. किंतु I used to go swimming. I used to swim in my childhood. जदी कहबो एठी used to कहिले सेटा एटा गोटे स्ट्रक्चर जोटा कि past habit को बतौछ. I used to I am used to भितरे बहुत डिफरेंस अछि. हमें डिस्कस करबा डिटेल रे परे. Then yes, Sunita.
I asked him about his dinner, but he did not answer me.
Okay, I asked him to go for dinner, but he didn't answer. Okay, किए आंसर कलानी त नाड कहल लड़के?
My brother.
Okay.
Must be a full one.
See, Bhajman understands you nicely. Okay then, चलो ठीक अच्छी. कुरान को पचास मेनू कौन खिला? हाँ, yes, Sunita.
I never saw such a big snake before.
I never
Saw.
I never saw
A big snake, such a big snake before.
I never saw. It किंतु इतने सेंस टा भूले. I had never seen him. इटा देखी सारला पोरे तुम्हें कहूँ. I had never seen such a big snake in my life. माने गोटे बड़ा सापो देखी सारला पोरे तुम्हें कहूँ इटा. नहीं सही सेंस तो कहूँ.
Yes, sir.
ताहले सेटा I had never seen हबो. हाँ, I had never seen, and that's
Sir?
it. Yes.
Can you
Sunita?
use never in past tense, a simple past?
Simple past, हाँ. I never met him before. Had लगेले अलगा ही हो ना. I never met him before. I never told him to join my office. I never liked him.
Sir, simple past tense always takes a subject plus
Sir,
verb from the object form.
Huh. So
sir,
he
I never consumed alcohol. एमती कही होगी.
consumed. Ed, consumed.
Yes, sir, consumed.
Huh. I never
Consume,
consumed alcohol in my life.
consumes. Sir, consumes present tense is your simple present consumes. And
Consumes
consume also
S
present
like
is
na present tense abo. D
Consumed na, sir, I never
your
consumed.
past is your.
Simple past है sir.
Simple past kemti helani. I never consumed. I never met him. I never asked him to come to my office. Ita goda helani ki simple past.
Sir,
Sir, sir, मैंने सेटा example कहते मैंने. सेटा ही example.
verb V2 form ले से past को जीवो. V1 form or V5 means.
Obviously. I never asked him to do that.
Sir, I did not sleep well because of my vaccine doses.
I did not.
Sleep well because of my vaccine doses.
Okay, I did not feel well ना कौन आडे कहूँ ठीक अच्छे sentence टा ठीक अच्छे सुज्ञानी मने ऑडियो रे किसी ओटे प्रॉब्लम अच्छे हाँ okay anyway next आमे जिबा interrogative sentence माने तो जानी चो समझते
Yes, sir.
हाँ give me some interrogative sentence in past simple form.
Do you want to go to temple? Do you want to go to temple?
Do you want no do कहले केमती interrogate past simple हला.
Sir, did you do this?
Did you want to go to, did you want to go to
Did you do this or did you go to campus? Did you go to office like this, right? Then
Did he take alcohol yesterday night?
did you take alcohol yesterday night? No कही कि last night कहिबो हाँ?
Okay, sir.
Yesterday night टा भूल expression last night कहिबो. Did you take alcohol last night? एटा मते पचारु छ ना कोन हो?
No, sir.
ना yes no टा कहिबा पड़ेबो ना पचारु छ जदी. हाँ okay. Then तापरे
Did he invite you to his birthday party?
हाँ he has invited. He invited.
No.
Yes.
No, sir. She did not invite me.
He didn't invite you, huh? Okay, we will take care of him outside. Right then. Okay, some other questions quickly. Manoj Kumar.
So did you we celebrated what's the day yesterday?
Question रे बाबा question सुनो तो कि नहीं?
Sir, was it night?
Was it?
Night.
Was it night? कहू छ ना nice.
Night. ए राती
Was
की.
it night माने सेटा ଗୋଟେ कोन question? Was it night?
माने एटा राती की पचरा होची.
सेटा ଗୋଟେ के पचारे
For madness fans question.
Okay. Was it night time? Okay, right. Okay then. Manoj? Did you get your first dose vaccine? Yes, I have already taken. And good question, Goranga. Yes. Right then. So we are done with this. We will go ahead, guys. Huh? And I have a question that is not exactly from Odisha OAS exam, but some other exam. But yes, this kind of question may be there. Yes. Whenever there is question from past simple, they generally ask question like this. Okay, so yeah, this is the question. John and Jane were two neighbors who knew each other very well. They live in the same town. Put this sentence in the past tense. Which one will be the right answer? Past tense.
John and
Some other answers, please, quickly. Ke koda bhaucha?
C, sir.
सर ए की सर
ନାଇଁ 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 ଏଟା ଭୁଲ।
सर कौन करिया पड़े मुझे बुझ पाइली कौन करिया पड़े
C, sir.
ଏଇ question ଟା ଦେଖ, John and Jane were two neighbors who knew each other very well. They live in the same town. ଏଇ ଦୁଇଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କୁ past tense ରେ ପକେଇବାର ଅଛି।
सर सी ही जीवो सर जेन जे वेर नेवर
They live in
ई सर हवा पर लागू छै।
D.
D हबो।
सर लीव टा लीव दे जीवो बाकी एपट सेंटेंस ठीक अछि लीव टा लीव दे दियो सेकंड पास ओके जुटा थिबो कि
Obviously खाली गोटे गोटे प्रॉब्लम अछि सेठी, जेमते
केवल लीव टा सर
लीव टा खाली लीव नहीं जो, बाकी सब ठीक अछि।
सेठी कैन चेंज सब
C is the right answer. John and Jane
ऑप्शन देखिनी कि
एटा तो past tense रे अछि ऑलरेडी। सेकंड live in the same town.
बस सही केवल लीव टा लीव दे जे बाकी सब बोल अछि।
Okay, another question, let's go for another question. एटा बुझियला कि नहीं?
ओके सर बुझियला।
Yes, sir.
The district collector dash the office bearers his approval for holding meeting during his office hour.
So B हबो कि did not allowed?
Sir, did not allow.
B के नहीं होगा, did not allow केमते हो?
Oh sir कौन did not allow? Did not allow
B sir B.
Sir D ना सर E sorry allow did not allow.
Did not allow.
Last टा हबो E.
E sir E.
हमें कितने थोड़ा
Sir already had अछि did अछि already one allowed हबनी। Did अछि already सेठी ना सर सेंटेंस रे सेठी लागी।
Did were allowed हबो नहीं।
In last class we discussed that in a single sentence there cannot be two past form, like did is a past form, allowed au he paribo nahi. So the district collector did not allow.
Did not allow.
Last one E is the answer. Okay, did not allow the office bearers his approval. Right. It's a good task kariba, huh? Anne and Mary are talking. Okay, and here so many 6 people are talking, and these 4 different conversation we can say. Complete the question answers with sentences saying what happened in past. Try to understand. Saying what happened in past. Just good clue diya heichi. You just need to make question and answer. Okay. Hint diya heichi. Who can do this? What? Cook.
Sir, economics मतलब ठीक कर चलेनी. What did you cook yesterday? Second हबो.
What did you cook yesterday? Then answer ya.
Sir, I made chicken curry yesterday.
Recipe ना देखी yesterday हो.
I made chicken curry yesterday. I cooked chicken curry yesterday. I prepared chicken curry yesterday. Anything can be the answer. Okay, right. Then the next one, Philip and John.
What instrument did you play? Played in
the party last night.
What instrument
Was it good?
Didn't play.
did you play in the party last evening? Then another short question is there. After that,
Was it good?
Was it good? Okay, good. Then answer.
Oh, I played guitar.
I played guitar.
I played guitar. It was really awesome.
I played guitar. It was really awesome.
Really awesome.
What did you do for last week?
Bill.
What did you do?
What to do?
Oh, last week.
Oh, last week. Okay.
I did many exciting things. I did many exciting things.
I had many exciting.
I have nine. I did many exciting things.
I guess my
I saw my aunt after long.
I met my aunt.
I met my aunt.
I met my aunt after long. We
went out together.
We went out together. We dash a movie.
Watched a movie.
Watched a movie.
We watched a movie.
watch movie watch करा जाए ठीक है
I came
Then,
back.
then I
Came
came
back.
back.
Come back,
Came back or even got back. Came back, got back home. Okay. Dash 3
Red.
books.
Red.
Read.
read
Okay.
three
Read 3 books and
and
Spent a lot of quality time with family.
spent.
Spent.
E, huh? Spent.
Spent
Sir,
a lot
hard
of
होगा नहीं?
quality time with family.
Sir, it hard होगा नहीं? Hard quality time with family.
हाँ हबो had be it V2 ही हबो have I have ice cream. I have one ice cream every day. HAVE. तापरे I had one ice cream yesterday. So have had इटा भी V2 form हबो हला and had a quality time with my family. That also you can say. Right then. Anything that you want to ask from past simple? Any question?
sir is there any expectation
Is there any? Yes, just use one minute or maximum 2 minutes for question. We will go to idioms today. Idioms. We will start vocabulary thing which we have not done ever, and we have to start.
simple past tense रे किसी व्यतिक्रम अछि जोडी कि से एक सब फॉर्म
नहीं एक्सेप्शन नहीं कारण से तार थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर रे भी किसी फरक पड़ुनी.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Please ask.
While using simple past, sometimes we, while speaking or narrative things, we use ing, but in writing it is fine. But when we speak in audience, that sound little improper grammatically.
Even in writing, it's not fine, Vishwa. Even in writing, it's not fine. It's not fine anywhere. When you are narrating something, when you are telling a story, you must use past simple. Okay.
But when we tends to describe the things that is continuous, means for example, I was keep on writing the exam, but the examiner came and took my paper. Means in that way, I used a ing, and
when you because you indicate at a duration. Suppose you are talking about your experience yesterday, means how your day was yesterday. Listen to me. I will speak some sentences, okay, and there different structures will be there. All of you listen to those structures, okay. Yesterday I had a bad day. I prepared for this day for a whole year. And yesterday when I went to write this Odisha Civil Services exam, I had a lot of hope in my mind. I started writing. Initially, I felt very good looking at the questions, but I lost the track of time. Even though I knew all the questions and answers, I could not write all the answers because of my negligence. After writing just 2 long answers, I noticed that already 2 hours was over. Then I was left with only 1 hour and so many questions. So I started writing very quickly. When I was writing my questions in a hurry, when I was writing my answers in a hurry, I made many mistakes. Last moment of the exam, when I was hurrying to even conclude one answer, the examiner snatched my booklet Did you notice anything?
Hurrying, was hurrying.
Ah.
Yes, sir. It should be
In two places I used ing, and I would say that is an appropriate use, because you are talking about that exam duration. Okay, in that exam duration, what happened to you? I was writing my exam while writing answers in a hurry. I made some mistake. Means केतेबेले mistake टा कली जेतेबेले मु जोर रे लिखुथली, ध्यान न देकी जोर रे लिखुथली, एई समय रे ए mistake टा कली. When you mention two actions and one is simultaneous while another thing happened, like my friend was dancing when I arrived. गोटे एक्शन टा चालू थिला जेतेबेले एटा हैला, मु केतेबेले मिस्टेक कली, मु जेतेबेले बहुत जोर रे लिखुथली. एटा गोटे कॉन्टेक्स्ट हैला. आ गोटे कोन जो when I was writing, when I was trying to conclude, you cannot say when I tried to conclude, the examiner snatched away my copy. No, when I was trying to finish one answer, मु जेतेबेले करूथली, माने से तुमरा कंक्लूड करिवा भितरे खाताटा नै जाइसंती ना, तो कंक्लूड करिवा कामटा चाली थिला कि नै से समय
Yes, sir.
विश्व बुझी होची कि नै ना कंफ्यूज हिगला पुणी थरे
सर कंफ्यूज
Sir,
नहीं लाउड
बुझिला
माने इटे गुटे लास्ट सेंटेंस का को ही देखो. माने when I was concluding, when I was concluding an answer, the examiner snatched away. बाकी सब सेंटेंस रे तो मु पास्ट सिंपल यूज करले, जेमति कि I started writing the answer, I went to the exam. एटा मु कारण सिंपली कहूचो I went to, मु गली, मु लिखली ए सब. किंतु गोटे ऑनगोइंग एक्शन विषय रे पर्टिकुलरली जेते बेले को माने तुमर खाता से एग्जामिनर केते बेले नहीं गले. आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. तुमो खाता
ऑनगोइंग एक्शन वाज माने गोटे ऑनगोइंग एक्शन जोटे कि पास्ट रे घटी थिला,
तुमे जेते बेले लिखु थिला सेटा कहया को चाहौ कि नहीं, से गोटे एक्शन दा ऑनगोइंग थिला कि नहीं. तुमे जेते बेले
while I was concluding.
When I was concluding, when I was writing the last paragraph of my answer, the examiner snatched away my copy.
पास्ट
सर एटा उडा हे पारिबो कि सर when the bike lecturer was trying to snatch the necklace, the woman kicked him.
Very good example. In fact, Amit, आमे मने पकेबा तुमरो एग्जांपल आमे जेते बेले पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस पढिबा, नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस पढिबा. पास्ट कंटीन्यूअस पढिले एते आ कंफ्यूजन रहइबो नाही विश्व. एंड थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग अमित. वर्तमान जदी भी पूरा बुझी हला नहीं विश्व, डोंट वरी, we have a complete lesson dedicated to past simple, past continuous, I'm sorry, past continuous. तो ing टा past रे केते बेले यूज हुए सेटा क्लियर है. Is that okay?
Sir, when concluding hobo ki while concluding hobo?
Both are right. While ta सेमते भी ongoing action देखा है. When concluding, when लिखिले, you can say when I was trying to conclude or when I was concluding. But when you say while, you can say while concluding. Both are right. While टा गोटे ongoing action देखाए, ongoing action देखेवा पई जेते बेले तुमे चाहो while टा हमें यूज करो. Okay.
Yes.
Any other question like this? विश्व बुझी पाइलनी भले लागुची नाही
ना सर बुझेला सर.
नहीं ठीक अच्छे किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Past continuous anyway we are going to discuss, and we will have more examples, we will have more clarifications. Okay.
Past continuous subject plus was were plus ing form of the verb plus object.
O- obviously, obviously, yes. That is the structure. We will discuss more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Resma.
Sir, was your ଯେମିତି ଆମର past continuous ରେ ସେଟା ନ ଲଗେଇ V2 plus V4 ଲଗାଯାଏ ସେଟା ମାନେ କୋଉ କଣ୍ଡିସନରେ ଲଗାଯାଏ kept dancing ଯେମିତି started raining ସେ ମାନେ କୋଉ ମାନେ କଣ୍ଡିସନରେ ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ୟୁଜ୍ କରାଯାଏ
V2 ଟା ଲାଗିବ past ରେ ଆଉ V4 ଟା ଲାଗିବ ING form ଦି verb V3 ଲାଗିଯିବ perfect ରେ
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ
କହୁନି
ନାଇଁ
ସେଟା
ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ଅଲଗା ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ଆଇ କେପ୍ଟ ଡାନ୍ସିଂ ଆଇ କେପ୍ଟ ୱାକିଂ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କନସିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସି ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି କି ତୁମେ ଯଦି କହିବ ସାର୍ ଆଇ ଗଟ୍ ଏ ଗୁଡ୍ ମାର୍କ ଦିସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ତୁମର ଟିଚର କଣ କୁହନ୍ତି କିପ୍ ଅପ୍ ଦି ଗୁଡ୍ ୱାର୍କ ରାଇଟ୍ କିପ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଅନ୍ ସେମିତି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଟି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖୁ she kept dancing even though she was tired ଗୋଟେ କନସିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସି ଦେଖେଇବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ୟୁଜ୍ ହୁଏ
Sir, in this case, the dancing is a gerund, which acted as a object.
କଣ?
Sir, in this case, for an example, I kept dancing or she kept dancing. So in this case, dancing is a gerund. Is a gerund.
kept dancing
Yes, sir.
ହଁ kept dancing is a gerund ହଁ ସେଟା ବି ହେଇପାରିବ ମାନେ gerund ଟା କଣ କି gerund ମାନେ ତୁମେ କଣ ବୁଝୁଛ
noun
Noun.
Noun. Sir, it is a noun.
noun made from a verb
Yes, sir.
right dance ଗୋଟେ verb ଯେମିତା dance ଗୋଟେ verb ହୁଏ ଆଉ ସେଟା ଯଦି ତୁମେ ସେ verb family ରୁ ଆସିଥିବ ସେଟାକୁ ଏଟା ୟୁଜ କରାହେଇଥିବ noun ହିସାବରେ ତାହେଲେ ସେଟାକୁ gerund କୁହାହେଲା ତ kept dancing ତୁମେ ଏଠି dancing ଟାକୁ main verb ହିସାବରେ ନ ହେଇକରି kept ଟାକୁ ଏଟା ହେଲା he kept dancing ତ continuity ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଏଟା ରହିଲା ନାଇଁ
Sir,
continuity
kept dancing is past continuous.
No, sir. Sir, I do not think so.
kept dancing টা past continuous obviously past continuous kept dancing
Yes.
Sir, actually, the form of the past continuous is
ନାଇଁ ଏଟା ଦେଖ
where plus ing.
gerund ମୁଁ ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି ତୁମକୁ gerund ଏଟା ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି ତ
Sir, like I like swimming. Sir, I like swimming. As it is
I like
swimming.
swimming LIKED କହୁଛ
Yes, sir.
ହଁ I liked swimming ଟା ହେଲା past simple ସେଟା past continuous ନୁହଁ past simple I liked ହଁ ତୁମର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା କଣ ସତ୍ୟଜିତ ମାନେ I liked swimming କହିକି କଣ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରୁଛ
Sir, just like kept dancing. You kept dancing. So just like you like swimming. Sir, here swimming is noun.
ହଁ verb ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ noun ହିସାବରେ ୟୁଜ ହୁଏ ସେଟାକୁ ଅଲଗା କୁହାଯାଏ ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆମେ ସେଇଟାକୁ କାହିଁକି ଯିବା I kept dancing ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ପଚାରିଲେ I kept dancing କାହିଁକି କୁହାଯାଏ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ମେନ୍ ରୁଟ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ହେଲା ଯେ V2 ଆଉ V4 କାହିଁକି ୟୁଜ କରାଯାଏ କେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ସେଠି କହିଲି ଯେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଟି ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଜେନେରାଲି ଆମେ ଚାହୁ continuity I kept dancing he kept going on he kept practicing ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଥାଏ ତାର ମେନ୍ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟିଭ ହଉଛି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଟି ଦେଖେଇବା ରାଇଟ୍
Sir, hello,
ହଁ
sir.
ହଁ
Sir, when we tell a story at that time, sir, we will give priority to past simple or sir past perfect.
past simple obviously ମାନେ past simple ର ପରେ one of the most prominent use ହଉଛି story telling past
ଯେମିତି କି sir
ହଁ
sir ଓଡିଆକୁ sir ଆମେ ଯଦି relate କରିବା sir ଗୋଟେ ବାଘଟେ ଥିଲା there was a tiger
ହଁ
sir ସେ ରହିଲା sir ସେ ବଣରେ ରହିଲା ନା ବଣରେ ରହୁଥିଲା
ସେ
ରହିଥିଲା
ବଣରେ ରହୁଥିଲା, ସେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ବଣରେ
ସାର୍
ରହୁଥିଲା।
ସାର୍ ଏମିତି ରିଲେଟ୍ କଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଟିକେ ହେଇଯିବ ଟାଇମ୍।
ସେମିତି ସେମିତି ରିଲେଟ୍ କଲେ, ଓଡିଆକୁ ଯଦି ରିଲେଟ୍ କଲେ ତାହେଲେ ଓଡିଆରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ଅଲଗା ଫର୍ମ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛୁ। ଓଡିଆରେ ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ଅଲଗା ଫର୍ମ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛୁ, ଯେମିତି କି ମାନେ ସେ ରହୁଥିଲା, ସେ ସବୁଦିନ ଯାଉଥିଲା ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ। ଏଇଟାକୁ ଯଦି ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ କରିବ ତାହେଲେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଆଡକୁ ପଳେଇବ।
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍।
କିନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଟେଲିଂ ର ମେନ୍ ଏଟା ହଉଛି ପାଷ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ। ଦେयर वाज ହଁ
story is deep past or nearer past?
ଇଭେନ କାଲିର ଷ୍ଟୋରି ବି ଯଦି ତୁମେ କହିବ, ଯେମିତି କି ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହିଲି ମାନେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ଲାସରେ ଆମର ବିଗିନିଂ ରେ ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି କହିଲି, ସେଟା କଣ ମୁଁ ଡିପ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ ୟୁଜ କଲି? କାଲିର ବି ମୁଁ ମନେକର ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟା କହିଲି, ପାଷ୍ଟ ସିମ୍ପଲ वी कैन यूज।
Yes sir.
Hello sir.
There was a king, 500 years ago ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛୁ ସେଟା ମାନେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ପୁରୁଣା ହେଲେ ଡିପ୍ ପାଷ୍ଟ, କେତେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ହେଲେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ପାଷ୍ଟ, ସେମିତି ତ ଆମର ଡେଫିନେସନ ନାହିଁ ନା। ତ ସେଟା କଣ୍ଟେକ୍ସଟ ଦେଖିକରି, ଲୁକିଂ ଏଟ ଦ କଣ୍ଟେକ୍ସଟ वी जनरली यूज present past simple and past perfect.
Hello sir. Sir. Sir, he kept dancing. Instead of we use he kept dancing, we can use he kept on dancing. That will be a phrasal verb placed like a kept on, keep on. It's a phrasal verb. It is a continuity form.
Keep on टा ଗୋଟେ phrasal verb, जो तार माने टा कोन? Keep on माने continue करो,
Continue. Yes,
चालू रखो, जारी रहू, राइट? तो तारो past form kept on dancing, he kept on dancing, किंतु kept on dancing और kept dancing both are right. kept on टा यूज होइछि phrasal verb, और he kept dancing or she kept dancing it is phrasal verb use ହେଇନି, किंतु both are right. There is no problem in any sentence. One sentence uses phrasal verb, another is just past sentence. Yes.
Hello sir.
Yes, Manoj.
Sir, I love eating sweets. মানে এটি love eating sweets এটা মানে past continuous হবে না past simple হবে?
I love টা main verb টা কোন है यार?
Love.
তাহলে past present simple হবে না continuous হবে?
Sir, simple.
Obviously, I love eating sweets. Present simple, talking about your habit.
Sir, ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ଆଗରୁ କହୁଥିଲି kept କଣ ଗୋଟେ ସେଟା kept dancing ନା କଣ? ହଁ kept dancing.
He kept dancing. ସେଟା past simple.
past continuous ଟା ଯଦି ଲେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ kept dancing ଟା ତାକୁ
he was dancing କହିବ, he was dancing or she was dancing। ଯଦି past continuous କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ, duration ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ, he was dancing you have to say, he was dancing, she was dancing, right?
Yes sir.
Any other question like this?
sir
हाँ
हेलो
रेशमा।
सर।
हाँ
सर जो ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଲାଇଡରେ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲେ ସେ ୱେର୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ ଓଦର V2 ଫର୍ମ ଲଗେଇ ପାରିବା କି ନାହିଁ? ୱେର୍ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଇଫ୍ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା, ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଲାଇଡରେ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ସେଇଟା ଉଡ୍ ସହିତ ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ନା
conditional sentence।
ହଁ ହଁ ସେଇଟା ସାର୍।
ଏଇଟା କହୁଛ?
if I were ରେ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ନା ସେଇଟା।
If I were God, এটা দেখি পারছো কি স্ক্রিন? Can you see the screen?
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍।
No sir.
No sir.
My screen is not visible to you?
Sir, share ହେଇନି।
Okay. এটা তো hypothetical କହୁଛ ତ, if I were God I would eliminate this coronavirus।
ହଁ ସାର୍, ଏଇଟା ସେ ୱେର୍ ଜାଗାରେ ଓଦର V2 ଆମେ ଲଗେଇ ପାରିବା ନା ନାହିଁ?
if I had
सेटा फिक्स्ड
V2
केस
माने
सेटा फिक्स्ड
सर
केस
जो
है
हाइपोथेटिकल कंडीशन सेंटेंस है
imaginary
सर आइको तो वेयर लगियो
imaginary condition जोटा कहउछ निज पई जदी सेंदी किछि if I was given this chance मते
सर
जदी
ये जो
कहै
आई वेयर लगिछि
हां
आई को
किंतु
वेयर लगियो ना बात है
हाँ इमेजिनरी सेंटेंस रे लगा जाए एटा स्ट्रक्चरली रॉन्ग व्हाट एवर यू आर सेइंग यू आर राइट एक्चुअली किंतु ए हाइपोथेटिकल कंडीशन इज द ओनली कंडीशन एटा इमेजिनरी बोली करी इफ आई वेयर टा यूज करा जाए इफ आई वेयर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इफ आई वेयर गॉड जेटा कि माने असंभव जिंस कहया पई आई जगह रे वेयर यूज हुए जदि तुमको वेयर ना पसंद लागुची you can use I was also and that is also right. That's why English is called funny, you know, sometimes you can very well say I if I was God.
सर सेपरी अनरियल सिचुएशन रे अनरियल थिंग्स इज जेंति गोटे गोटे कहबो तमे हाइपोथेटिकली को टेंस से व्यवहार है पास्ट पर्सपेक्टिव प्रोग्रेसिव पास्ट पर्सपेक्टिव पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव
नहीं मु जानि पल्ले नहीं क्वेश्चन रे कोन
माने एमती अनरियल सिचुएशन एक असंभव इंडस्ट्री क्षेत्र रे ओ टेंस टा व्यवहार कर जाए पास्ट परफेक्ट की पास्ट कंटिन्यूटी के जाना चाहूँ
एटा पूरा पास्ट सिंपल इफ आई वर गॉड पास्ट सिंपल हला कि नहीं
यस सर पास्ट सिंपल तो हला
if I were God I would eliminate this coronavirus right
सर जदी हमर इफ आई वाज ए गॉड देन लिखि दिले कोन किछ भले थे भले थे
if I was God लिखि देले किछि प्रॉब्लम नाही किंतु गोटे जिंसम you need to remember when we write imaginary sentences like hypothetical condition we use were in place of I also if I were God were with I is a symbol that it's hypothetical condition it's its recognition actually you can take it as an exception also and remember it
सर एमती भी कहा जाए ना आई विश आई वेयर अ डॉक्टर
हाँ आई विश आई वेयर अ डॉक्टर माने तार मीनिंग ता कोन आई विश आई वेयर अ डॉक्टर माने तार मीनिंग ता कहलो
मो डॉक्टर ही थांती की
मु डॉक्टर नुहो वर्तमान मु डॉक्टर नुहो एंड हेबार संभावना भी नहीं या यार मीनिंग होची मु गोटे डॉक्टर ही थांती की तार ट्रांसलेशन होची एटा आई विश I was a doctor or I were a doctor ठीक अछि unfulfilled wish जोटा कि हेई परियो नाही I wish I was a doctor I wish I was a millionaire सेटा तो कहउछ साइनिंग ना कोन अलगा कोन एग्जांपल
सर सही क्षेत्र में सर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस हो जेमति कि सी विशेष सी हैड बीन बोर्न इन 1948 माने ऑन सपोज ऑन गोटे कि असंभव जिंस सही क्षेत्र भी तो पाइबो
नाही मु बुझी पारलिनी बचपन कोन कहलो
सर मुझे क्वेश्चन पूर्व कहथले जे अनरियल थिंग्स जोडी थिबो सेठी को टेंस लागो पास्ट परफेक्ट आपन कहले सिंपल सिंपल भी परिबो सिंपल पास्ट हे परिबो कि पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस भी सरी परिबो जेंति कि
अनरियल ओहो तुमे आउ गोटे कंडीशनल सेंटेंस अछि जोटा कि टाइप 3 कंडीशनल कहंते एटा हाइपोथेटिकल सेटा नहरे बाबा काहे कंफ्यूज करछो हाई अनरियल कंडीशन जोटा कहछ जेंति कि एग्जांपल हला पास्ट परफेक्ट कोठी लागे यूज पेटा पचरछ कि बजमन
यस सर यस
सेटा अनरियल कंडीशन दैट्स लाइक दैट इज अ डिफरेंट कंडीशनल सेंटेंस आउ सेटा हमें पास्ट परफेक्ट एटा सब पढ़ी भी नाहंती किंतु ठीक अछि मु कहि दोछि जेमति कि गोटे सेंटेंस हला इफ यू हैड HAD. If you had studied well, you would have passed. तार मीनिंग टा की कहि परिबो कि ओडिया रे
ଯଦି
वर्तमान
ପାସ୍
सिचुएशन कोन
रिचार्ज करती
ପଢିଥିଲେ ପାସ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତ
यस मोनू
ପଢି
ପଢିଥିଲେ
ଭଲ
ପାସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ ହେଇଛି ପିଲାର ରେଜଲ୍ଟ
ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି
फेल ହେଇଯାଇଛି ନହେଲେ ଖରାପ
ପିଲାଟା ଅଲରେଡି ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ପିଲାଟା ଅଲରେଡି ଫେଲ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଆଉ ତୁମେ କହୁଛ ଯଦି ତୁମେ ପଢିଥାନ୍ତ ତାହେଲେ ପାସ୍ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆଉ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା ଏଇ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ରେ ସେଟା କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଫ ୟୁ ହ୍ୟାଡ studied you would have passed type 3 condition last condition जोटा सेटा हमें वर्तमान डिस्कस करियानी भजवन that is a completely different thing okay nice you are asking so many questions and I hope if it is not disturbing for others then it's good actually क्वेश्चन आंसर तो चलछि डाउट क्लैरिफिकेशन हवा कथा जहां डाउट होतले तो आज तो टाइम हो गलानी देन we cannot take up this idiom lesson I was otherwise planning anyway then, we have another 5 minutes so if you have any other question you can ask and we will close this session No question from anybody else?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, actually, what is the difference between a predicate, a object, and complement?
Object and?
Predicate, object, and complement.
See, a sentence has generally two parts. Subject and predicate. Sometimes we also say subject phrase and predicate. Subject or subject phrase if you deduct from a sentence, rest of the part is predicate. And predicate contains so many things like your verb, then your object, and so many things like that. Okay, verb, adverb, adjective, or जितने parts of speech अच्छी सिथिरे रहेगा. किंतु जनरली दुई भाग रे हमें विभक्त करू गोटे सेंटेंस को सब्जेक्ट आउ प्रेडिकेट सब्जेक्ट और सब्जेक्ट फ्रेज को जदी अलगा कर दियो ताले बाकी जते रहला सेटा प्रेडिकेट
सर एक्चुअली ऑब्जेक्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट
ऑब्जेक्ट तुमको बुझे पड़ियो जे ऑब्जेक्ट होची जोटा माने एक्शन ता रिसीव जोटा जिंस करे सेटा होची ऑब्जेक्ट हां माने गुटे सेंटेंस रे मु गुटे जदी एटा कहली I ate an mango I ate a mango not an I ate a mango mango टा प्रभावित हल्ला कि नहीं तुमर मेन वर्ब टा कोन एट मेन वर्ब एट व्हाट माने এটা হচ্ছে গোল্ডেন রুল টু अंडरस्टैंड व्हिच वन इज द ऑब्जेक्ट मु गोटे वर्ड फाइल बाहर करके लेखिकी देखे दउछि हां दैट विल बी बेटर माने इथरे व्हाइट बोर्ड अछि कि
सर मैक्सिमम सिचुएशन ले वर्ब पर यदि तो ऑब्जेक्ट है
व्हाइट बोर्ड ओके स्टार्ट अ न्यू व्हाइट बोर्ड
Sir, actually, whiteboard is there, but it is difficult to write because you do not have the pen and pad.
Can't we type there?
No, sir. Sir, you cannot type there because you have to write by the help of the mouse.
Oh, but they should give the facility to type. Text.
Sir,
ओके हला जी एटा तो शेयर कर दिल हबो ना
यस सर
व्हाइट बोर्ड रे देखा जाउची कि
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. I ate a mango. I hope you can see it, huh? I चलो मैनेज करे एनीवे आई ईट अ मैंगो जोटा कहला भारी मुश्किल तो recognize the main verb. What is the main verb in this sentence?
Sir,
Sir, it.
Recognize the main verb and ask two questions to the main verb, like ate what, then ate whom. Ask these two. This is a trick, and this is a golden rule, golden way to know whether a sentence has an object or not. Okay, सबू sentence रो object थाए कि
No, sir.
सबू sentence रो object न थाए हला एटा गोटे जानी कि रखो. Suppose ate what रो एठी answer टा कौन?
Mango.
Mango. Ate whom रो answer अछि कि?
ना.
I
ate whom नहीं नहीं ate whom
ना किछ नहीं.
ate whom रो answer नहीं माने ई sentence रो केतेटा object अछि?
One object.
आउ गुटे एग्जांपल दोछि गुटे गुटे सेंटेंस रे दुईटा ऑब्जेक्ट थाइ सेटा जानि छु कि नहीं?
I gave a flower to him.
Okay, very good. I gave a
Flower to her.
flower to काकू
ଯାହା କହିଲେ ଚଳିବ.
ଯାହା କହିଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ. You do not want to get into controversy.
No, sir.
এটা কোন ହେଲା ପୁଣି ଲେଖିବନି ওয়ার্ড ফাইল ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ ସବୁଠୁ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. ଛାଡ଼ କରିଦଉଛି ওয়ার্ড ফাইল କରିଦଉଛି. Okay, now can you see the screen word file?
no, sir, it is not shared actually.
Oh, it is not shared. It is not shared. Okay, just a moment. Now,
no, sir.
now can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, this is better. Can you read it comfortably? I ate a mango. Now main verb is ate. Ate what? माने तारो आंसर हला mango. Ate whom? No answer. Means this sentence has one object. Okay. तापरे next को बोले हमें I gave a flower to him, to her. Okay. Now let's not ask what flower and to who is that person. Right? Non-controversial example. I gave a flower to her. What is the main verb?
Gave.
Gave.
Gave what?
flower.
flower. Gave whom?
Her. Her.
To her. To her. Her.
माने wherever you एटा मु काहे की कहू छी wherever you get both the answers ए क्वेश्चन ता सब बोले पचारियो recognize the verb ask two questions to the verb what whom
And whom.
okay जोठी तुमे दीटा पाइबो एटा माने answer say sentence ro that sentence has two objects okay two objects and which one is direct object which one is indirect object
Sir,
What is
flower
direct and
the,
whom is indirect?
flower is the direct object.
what ro answer जोटा अछि सेटा हबो
Direct
object आउ जोटा माने whom रो answer जोटा सेटा होछि indirect object. But this is the trick. Please remember, this trick is very much helpful when you are trying to convert sentence into passive, active passive. कारण subject object role जानी छो कि नहीं when you convert a sentence into passive. Okay, we will discuss this thing, this golden rule. You need to understand, you need to have in mind to know about direct object, indirect object, and to understand whether a sentence can be converted into passive or not. Like gote eta kohuchi I danced on the floor. এটা को पैसिव कलर पैसिव
Object नहीं है ठीक.
Sir, there is no object. So
there
passive
is
cannot be
no
done.
object that's why
Passive cannot be done.
that's why this sentence cannot be converted into passive हला सेटा एटा जिंस जाने को पड़ियो and this sentence which has two objects please remember this sentence which has two objects that sentence can be converted into passive in two ways दुईटा रास्ता रे ही परियो केमती करि परियो कि
A flower was given to her.
Here to हाँ
A flower was given to her by me.
a flower was given
Given to her.
to her second हला इथु माने ऑब्जेक्ट रु स्टार्ट करिया अछि सो एटा केमती स्टार्ट करिया और एटा कोन होबो
See, sir. See.
She was given
She
a flower
was
by me.
given a flower by me এটা बहुत important specifically when you are trying to know about active and passive I danced on the floor there are many sentences which cannot be converted into passive and the most important reason is whether they have object or not when they do not have object they cannot be converted into passive please remember that
Sir, actually compliment विषय टे कहि दियंतु.
sorry
Compliment विषय टे कहि दियंतु. Sir, object and compliment. What is compliment?
compliment माने तारो वर्ड को देखि कि तारो मीनिंग टा कोन बोली भाउछ तुमे
Sir, ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି କି when object is not present, then the phrase is known as the complement. Is this right?
object is not present
Sir, suppose I love dancing on the floor. Let's say I love dancing on the floor. Then here, dancing on the floor is complement.
हाँ देखो कॉम्प्लीमेंट बहुत खाली देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्ट सही जगह रे सेंती सेटा कोन तार डेफिनेशन की तार डेफिनेशन कोन हबो तार डेफिनेशन कोन हबो कॉम्प्लीमेंट को से वर्ड टा को देखि तुमको तार डेफिनेशन टा कोन हबो
Sir, we
It helps to complete the sentence.
obviously complement the जो portion of sentence is completing the meaning or completing the sentence, very simple. So there is portion of sentence which generally complete the sentence, that is complement, right? सेमती ऑब्जेक्ट भी कंप्लीट करे सेंटेंस को, कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी कंप्लीट करे, राइट?
okay. Taman, the assumption that where there is no object, then the page is known as a complement. This is wrong, sir.
हाँ सेमती कोई परियो
Okay. Okay.
राइट. And any other